Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and this is the third part or part two of the flames to the right. And she got back to me, and she actually now they just want the J and a D. I don't know what font they want to use, but I've converted everything to a curve. So I'm going to Control D and make a duplicate of that. Just get it out of the way. Now on the right side of the letters, it's going to be a little more difficult than on the left side of the letters, and it's because it's going to take away some of this curvature of the D. So let's just move that to about there. Let's zoom in here a little bit. Let's get our shape tool and let's move that node to there and that node to there. And that looks pretty good. Now we can take our duplicate and put that right there. Now, it's going to be kind of hard with this part of the J. This side of the letter is going to be a little harder, and I would convert both these to a curve. I just click my mouse and then maybe take the center of that and maybe put a little whoop-de-doop, what I call. Now, the reason this is a little bit different than the first video, I'm going to put that up top and I'm going to weld that. And I don't like that. Let's try this. Let's back up here and let's do what we do. On this particular one, let's take the virtual segment delete key and we'll delete this inner part. And then we'll see when it welds if it doesn't leave the center of our D. And it did, but it didn't take all the lines. So I know it will work on the J, so we'll just do the J and just show you how the weld tool will help you. Select everything and go up and weld, and see that looks pretty good. So on the D, because you've taken out that other part and delete some lines, you're going to have to use the virtual segment delete key just like in the first video, and just kind of be careful on which ones you delete. I'm going to have to zoom in here so I can see what I'm doing. Virtual segment delete key and delete that, delete that, delete that. So basically you're deleting every other line. And something like that doesn't look bad. It doesn't look very good right there, but you can always take your shape tool and you could actually just select that node and delete it. Play with your handles. Maybe even delete that node and see what happens. Can't delete that node. That's connecting, but you could bring it up. Then let's see what they look like. Let's fill this in with the Smart Fill tool. Fill this in with the Smart Fill tool. And now go down. And really what you're doing, you're getting rid of the outside. So on this, we can go up, delete, down. And this way, the flames don't actually go into the letters like they did the other ones. That looks pretty cool. You could always change this node and delete that node and play around with this till it looks good. That doesn't look half bad. Maybe delete that one. I think it looked better before. So it's personal preference on what you want it to look like. But that doesn't look half bad. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit, and thank you for watching.